Welcome everyone to JS Biology YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about PhD in Sciences program offered by AcSIR India. So let's go to the AcSIR website. So here we have the AcSIR website. So now I'll go to admissions portal. So last time we have seen PhD engineering. So this time we will be seeing PhD sciences. Let me go for the details here. So we'll get a PDF. Okay, so we have here the AcSIR brochure, official brochure for PhD in Sciences program. Let us go through the details of this program. Similar to what we had done in the last video. So we'll start with eligibility criteria for PhD Sciences and sponsored PhD Sciences programs. So as I said in the last video, I will be talking about this part that is the about CSIR part. This part will be talked about in further videos, so we'll complete all the programs first. Eligibility criteria for PhD Sciences is very important. Please note, I'll be highlighting these things. For that, a candidate with bachelor's degree in engineering, technology, medicine, this is one part. I'll mark with some other color here, or master's degree in science. Okay, there are two parts here. Very important thing. PhD in sciences will be provided to two kinds of people. The candidates eligible are, this is one, bachelor's degree in engineering or technology, that is BE degree, BE or BTech. Or he or she should have, a candidate should have master's degree in sciences, at MSc degree. And very important part, another part is the candidate should have a valid national level fellowship. Okay, any kind of fellowship, whether it is CSIR or UGC or DBT or DST or Inspire or RGNF or whatever. Another point you need to make note of is, as we have seen in the last part, here also project assistants, senior research fellows, group 4 scientists, group 3 technical staff of CSIR labs are also eligible to apply. Now you can know about the master's sponsored PhD in science program. It should be, here we cannot have bachelor's, it is compulsorily master's. Very important point here, everyone need to make note of. For sponsored PhD sciences programs, one should have master's degree in science with endorsement from industry, academic or research institutes from required academic leave and financial support during examination during the program. It is very important here. Your institute should be taking care of your academic leave, which you will have to spend in your PhD program, and also it should be able to pay, or it should be willing to pay financial requirements of yours in the program. And these are only minimum quality yardsticks for eligibility of consideration for admission, and bear no relationship with the financial assistance or scholarship. Any stipend, scholarship or financial source for study would be the sole responsibility of the student. This is important point. Any scholarship or stipend should be the responsibility of the student and not the. I'll just make this larger so that we can read it easily. Any stipend, scholarship, financial source for the study would be the sole responsibility of the student. Better change the color to yellow. Okay. And ACSIR does not provide any kind of scholarship. Neither do CSIR labs to give you. Just in case you are in the last year, this is for the last year students. This part is for last year students. If you are in the last year of your program, that is in bachelor's or master's, bachelor's of engineering and technology or master's, and your final results are awaited, then what will you do? You can you are eligible for the screening process for the criteria. You'll be able to apply and get screened out based on the requirements and your candidature. Once you are shortlisted, you will be called for the interview, and if selected there also, you will be provisionally admitted for the program. It is very important. You'll be provisionally will be provisionally admitted for the program. Okay, and if you have to continue, that is making your admission confirmed, it is your responsibility to get the final result sheet at the time of joining. Okay, this is very important point. If not, you will be your admission becomes nullified. You will not have it. You will not join the course immediately if you do not produce your final results at the time of joining. And then we will look into the academic requirements of the PhD in Sciences program. Here also there are some figures you need to note, and there is one small change here. For PhD in Sciences, sponsored candidate should he or she will have minimum period of 4 years to maximum of 6 years, whereas the regular candidate will have 3 years minimum and 6 years maximum. When compared to PhD in engineering, this criteria was not changing, in only this part was 3. This is 4 here, but in PhD engineering chapter it was 3. Rest these things keep on changing from time to time. So instead of worrying about this, once you join, things will go smoothly. So you need not worry about all this. Another thing is a sponsored candidate should spend at least 1 semester on the campus. Okay, whereas the regular candidate should be there on the campus for the entire time, for the entire 3 or 6 years, or in between. And very important, the fees at CSIR labs, that is through ACSIR, is quite very less compared to most universities. Whether it is if private university, it will be too much. In government universities also, it is quite high. But here, for regular candidate, it is 8,000 rupees, and thesis submission fees is 5,000 rupees, Indian national rupees. For sponsored candidates, it is 16,000 rupees for semester per fees per semester, and thesis submission fees is 25,000. Hostel and boarding charges should be hostel lodging and boarding charges should be applicable for the candidates differently, and it will not be covered in the semester fees. And the tuition fees is the same for foreign nationals also. This is important point. These are the evaluation parameters, and these things can be taken care of later. This is a list of different ACSIR academic centers, that is CSIR labs, which are uh, providing PhD sciences program. So you can find the list here. You can download this brochure from the ACSIR official website, and these are the websites. You can go through the fields of study and the research going on in different labs. So this is about the PhD in Sciences program offered by ACSIR, Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research, in its branches, that is CSIR labs and some different institutions. So wishing you all the best. I'll be signing off from this video. In the next video, we will see the IDDP program, that is Integrated Dual Degree Program. What are its benefits? I will make two videos out of that third program, that is IDDP, and apart from that, we will be making other videos on the other two programs also. So till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.